In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage forms in HubSpot CRM the easiest way. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a refresher, this guide is here to walk you through the process step by step. To get started, you'll want to head over to the HubSpot homepage. You can easily find it by simply searching HubSpot in your web browser or typing in the URL directly if you have it saved. Once you're there, look for the login button. It should be prominently displayed, making it easy to access your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot homepage. From here, you'll find a multitude of tools available to you, but our focus today is on managing forms. Next, locate the Marketing tab. It should be visible on your dashboard, and a quick click will open up more options to explore. Once you've clicked on Marketing, the next move is to select Forms. This will take you to the Forms interface, a central hub where all your forms are displayed. If you're setting up a new form or managing an existing one, this is where you'll do it. Now let's dive into creating a new form. Begin by clicking on Create Form. This option is usually highlighted, making it easier to start a new project. After clicking, you'll see a button labeled Next. Go ahead and click that to progress through the form creation process. One of the great features of HubSpot is the ability to use templates. At this stage, you'll want to click on Start from Template. Using templates can significantly streamline the process, especially if you're aiming for consistency in design and functionality. With templates, you can choose from a range of pre-designed forms that best suit your needs, saving you a lot of time. After selecting to start from a template, your next step is to click Choose Template. This is where you'll browse through various template options. Take a moment to find one that aligns with your goals, whether it's capturing leads, gathering feedback, or any other intended purpose. Once you've selected the right template, you're ready to start customizing your form. And there you have it, the straightforward yet comprehensive journey to creating and managing forms in HubSpot CRM. By following these steps, you ensure a smooth and efficient process, maximizing the powerful capabilities of HubSpot to engage with your audience. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and refine your approach as you become more familiar with these tools. Thank you for watching, and happy form building.